Like, wait a minute. This is actually kind of important because if you're explaining it to me, you can explain it to the world. Time to sand these door frames down.
Hell yeah.
Like, wait a minute. This is actually kind of important because if you're explaining it to me, you can explain it to the world.
I can. So, we made some molding. We didn't film it. We've got some molding. If you look here, it's just been milled twice. 2 cuts on the table saw. And this is just to do a decorative edge cap on the drawer fronts. And so we're gonna, typically, you know, it's best to just go in a circle on this. Work from the left to the right or the right to the left, whichever you prefer. We're probably gonna work
Clockwise?
I think we'll work we could work clockwise. I think we'd be better to work counterclockwise.
Okay, well then we'll work counterclockwise.
So basically we will start with a piece here, we'll check it, and then we'll make a measurement at our end, and then we'll miter it and just continue around until it's done.
The show.
Yeah. By this time next year, Kamala Harris will be fucking president. By this time next year, Kamala Harris will be fucking president. By this time next year, Kamala Harris will be fucking president. It's time for some wood ass staining. Yeah. So, making it dark brown. It's one thing that didn't change on this project. However, stay tuned for the next project. Should we tell them what it is?
Yeah, we can let it loose.
Epoxy river coffee table, not dark brown.
Not dark brown.
Natural wood finish.
Yep, so I can make dark brown.
Let's get after it.